You can't really optimize something that you cannot measure. One of the things that we help companies do is basically, create, visibility into their pipeline on, what actually led to people booking, demo calls, right? And, what kind of where do they enter the site from? So Posthog is a extremely great tool for us to basically get all this insight from, right? And you can see kind of like the path people take, where do they come in from, and generally it's just really great as an analytics tool. But today I'm going to show you how we actually set up Posthog for a brand new client. Over here, this is our Pi agent. It's one of the most sophisticated AI agent around that has a full suite marketing capability. And earlier, I have just connected it to Posthog to be able to make changes on Posthog, right? And over here, what you see is that we just call it to set up Posthog, and it's loading all the skills and the tools that's needed to do the things. And from there, it actually also look at, it scans through the data to see, oh, actually there are already lead events that are, kind of like form submitted. And it gives you idea around like, oh, these were the ones, that we want to track. And based on that, it's also looking at various kind of like path conversion, various different, tests that we do, right? And it now creates all the different, dashboards and kind of like set it up for you. So all I need to do now is to go over to dashboards and do a quick refresh. There you see. So this is a new dashboard that Synscribe has just created. You can now see very clearly in the last 30 days, right? These were the pages that AI has sent traffic to us for, right? And you can see, oh, actually, if I search for best product compliance software, best product compliance software, right? There, you can see, and this is with DR0, right? We own this and we just launched this recently. So you can see, you can kind of like just trace back from, the page itself to understand like, where are you winning out there? You can see that we are winning for like automate food label compliance, digital product passport for cosmetics and stuff, right? And not just that, you can see when people come in through our features page, right? There's a 8% conversion. VS when they come in through our blog page, there's only a 2% conversion, right? And site-wide, we are averaging about 2% conversion over here. So it's, a lot of great insights over here. And if let's say I want to customize charts, I can do that by saying like create a pie chart to show which AI referrals, the split of AI referral traffic by type, i.e. ChatGPT vs Perplexity, and another one for time series of visitors coming through AI platforms. No need to split by type or pitch. Right. So over here, you can actually fetch a lot of this kind of questions and set it up as the dashboards on Posthog, just like that. Right. You can see it's creating all these insights, and I can link to it directly, or I can just like refresh my dashboard. And there you go, the time series of AI referral traffic coming in, and then like the traffic sources. I click right into it. You can see, the first one being ChatGPT, and then the pink one being Claude. That's interesting. Okay. Then what else? If your management has been asking questions around like, hey, how does my last 30-day traffic compare to previous? You can ask it, give me answer to what's my last 30-day traffic overall vs previous. No need to create a dashboard. So you can see it can run Posthog query directly, and you can see, oh, this is how it is kind of like how obvious the 30 is prior prior to. Yep, you can see. So it's very easy for us to kind of just retrieve our answer immediately and kind of like strategize. And the great thing about being, on this platform is that we can combine it with various other source of data. So for instance, I can actually combine with Google Search Console data right here, and it would be able to like cross-reference as well as like from other platforms like Bing and stuff. So this is just how this is just one of the newest things that just came up, that our AI agent can do.